Bia Kamal and wala banangich katiti learn English and talk nas basic phrases. Titi shalga ke basic phrase la dom na riene tintiak tiak. Banangi guasame Mishao good morning sir. Good morning sir angulodoma. Good morning male kurunwang. Sir lun kwar. Good morning sir male kurunwang kwar. Male kurunwang kwar. Good morning sir. Rode number 2. Good morning. How are you? Chikonen guasme good morning lunode male kurunwang. How are you? Male kurunwang chale good morning. Good morning male kurunwang. How are you? Male. Diodian. I am fine. Thank you, sir. How are you? Tokon ka diagwasme I am fine lurnungu and malpoinda. I am fine and malpoinda. Thank you, sir. Nguluramo. Chiloida tet quer. Chiloida tet quer. Sir lurno quer. Mishao, how are you? Male, etinyok. Male, juran male. Ngwandian. I am also fine. I am also fine. Thank you. Deja lardiname. And ba malpoinda. I am also fine. And ba malpoinda. Thank you. Chiloida tet. Chiloida tet. Didian number 5. Sir, would you please tell me how to use a calendar? Would you please tell me how to use a calendar? Sir, would you please tell me how to use a calendar? Sir, chikon la no lodno lodno kwar. Kwar shiade nyos duop ende calendar lat keje. Kwar shiade nyos duop dana de calendar de je lat keje. Sir, would you please tell me how to use a calendar? Kwar shiade nyos duop ende calendar lat keje. Calendar malode michare leka metishangnatin katapatin katerunte katan shale calendar. Mete mlat ba jigono banate kaladerun ke mlate kalademolka ke karwana mechene metene te mishale calendar. Then shale calendar ona. Sir, would you please tell me how to use a calendar? Kwarshade nyos duop ende calendar lat keja. Number 6. Of course. Look at the calendar. What do you see? Of course, lodong telerik. Telerik, of course. Telerik. Alamichi doshena go bila michi of course. Telerik ki balat. Look at the calendar. Gui calendar. What do you see? Angunenio. Angunenimo. Ki angunenio. What do you see? Angunenimo. Of course. Look at the calendar. What do you see? Teleriak. Gui calendar angunenio. Number 7. Names of months and days. Should pasni kana shangni. Man lut kana pass. Days kachangni. Names of months and date. Should pasni kana shangni. Number 8. Nothing else. Tell mudadian ki tell dwar mitijiran tell mudadian ki tell dwar nothing else. Ukonka number 9. There are dates also. Some are in black color and some others are in red color. There are dates also. Some are in black color and some others are in red color. Tishang nitin ba. Tandian teken ke biel ti char, ka tandian teken ke biel ti der. There are dates also. Some are in black colors and some others are in red color. Tishang nitin ba tandien tiken kabil tishar ka tandien tiken kabil tider. Number 10. You have almost learned it. The dates and days tell you what that day is. You have almost learned it. The dates and days tell you what that day is. Jin shie de ngach. Shangni kene nin, ler kene peg nini shangni. Jin shie de ngach, shangni kene nin, ler kene peg nini shangni. You have almost learned it. The dates and days tell you what that a day is. Jin shie de ngach, shangni kene nin, ler kene peg nini shangni. Number 11. Color of dates. Kabiel shangni. Colors of dates. Kabiel shangni. Number 12. The red colors are holidays, but the black ones show working days. The red colors are holidays, but the black ones show working days. Bieltin der news a jinin longa. Dungdo bieltin char news a jinin lat tin te latin. Bielen der ki bieltin der news kenino titi kenin longa dungdo biel tin char ki bielen char news a jinin lat tin de latin ketin la nakake. Number 12. The red colors are holidays, but the black ones show working days. Number 13. Thank you, sir. Chiloida tet quer. Sir lodana quer. Thank you too. Chiloida tes ba. Me jeram jadit. Please help me by subscribing, share it with others, and be atakamal. Bye bye.